friends, in our next series of Revit architecture, we are going to describe here about the doors and windows. Okay, so now you can see here there is one wall we have created here. Okay, in this wall we have to put the doors. So I'm directly picking and putting here. Okay, when you will put the door, okay, so automatically the door will assign on this position. You can see, you can go into the 3D. Okay, and here there is a door. Okay, this door has already the family in which materials and everything already is there. Now go here, there is a size, you can change here any size if you want. You can take doors according to the size and define the type, it will change. Okay, so if you need, so now in the case of this door we can understand, I put this door. Okay, and after to see this door you can see and go here, your size and everything you can change here. Okay, now go to the architecture view level 1. Okay, and here is inside and outside, right side and left side, so you can change. Okay, now if you want anything in this door, there's a lot of things. Just swing 90 degree, I want to make it 45 degree. Okay, so you can see here the opening is 45 degree. Here
swing angle.
Okay, if you want 30 degree, it will be 30 degree.
I didn't take up this one, the swing angle.
Okay, one thing. Okay, and if you want more things, you go here, edit type. Okay, there is a lot of thing about that door. Height, weight, the thickness, masonry frame. One by one you can check and you can see what is the changes is coming here. Okay, so now the height is 900 of our door. Okay, if you want here 1100, you can directly change from here.
This is the width.
This is the width. Okay, so there is a parametric, you can see.
Yes.
Okay, so now here you can change each and everything here. Okay, height, thickness. Okay, whatever you want you can change here. Okay,
the type, like the material.
So now in this case the thickness we can change. Okay, okay, the frame depth and everything we can change about the frame. Okay, now the glazing, if you want you can use here. There is already one glazing of glass. Okay, if you want to see, you can see here this one. Okay, so this is also the defining there. So but all things is created in the family. There the thing is, if you want to change you can change from here. There is a glass. Okay, if you want to light material, whatever material you want you can use. Okay, there is a material, all material tab, you material and finishes. Okay, so here you can change the materials. If you only click. Okay, okay, and you can you want to change in next one, so you can make the duplicate also with your name. Whatever name you will give, it become a duplicate. It will not be changes in the defaulted one.
Yes, just see the sign.
Okay,
Then you assign.
And the most important thing also is there, but we will discuss in the separate about that family tutorial. Okay. So when you will click on the door, suppose, see I'm clicking on this one. Okay,
yeah,
so here it would be the edit family. So if you want to change anything in the door separately, the family will come here, appear here, or you can change in everything in this door. Okay. See here, but that one we will understand in my upcoming videos. Yes. Or next videos separate for the family. Okay, so right now I'm not doing anything in this. Okay, I'm going to the direct our object. Okay, so here doors I change. Okay, thickness, if you want to give the distance from the door to door, so you can give here. Suppose I need here 5000, so the door will display 5000. Okay, same thing, if you will go here in architecture tab, there is a window. Okay, door and window is not a big deal, both are similar. Okay, so if you will check in 3D, you see here. Okay, and now here is, suppose I'm giving it 2500. Okay, the height you can give also is here. Go to the east elevation or whatever elevation.
It's 90.
Okay, so see 900 is already here. Okay, but if you see the 900 is the height. Okay, and our door height is 2200. So it means we have to create 400 upside it. Okay, but if I'll create the 400 upside, so 900 will not be at that time. So we have to increase the height of our window. Go to edit type. Okay, now his height is 900. So 900 plus 400 is equal to 1300. So now,
Same level of the
so the both level of
same.
lintels is same. Okay, so like this you can use the windows in your tutorial, or directly you can put the level will come directly alignment. Okay, and you want to change any window, select it, go here, there is a lot of windows there. Okay, with the different sizes you can choose here. If you want more, so you can do here in edit type, go to the load, there is a family. Okay, so go the down, there is a window. Okay, lot of window is here, you can use
That is automatic going to ano to the
load family.
to the other family.
This window you can
I
use.
remember before there's a lot of go blah 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 blah. But that one now go select to the other family.
So now, okay, so now the change window I took from the family. Okay, so whatever you want you can take directly from the edit type and load. So direct family will appear here. Okay, I hope you understand this window tutorial. In next tutorial, next topic would be in the Revit. I hope you will keep watching my channel and subscribe to be better for you.